Good morning, everyone. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today I am back with another nail video. Finally, I actually shot this video a couple days ago, so pardon me for being late, but let's get straight into it. So this is my second practice hand that you guys saw in my last video, and I already applied the nail tips and everything. So now I'm just gonna go in and use these nail forms that I got from this company called Nail Couture. Now, there's a story behind that. So I'm going to go ahead and just post a separate video about my purchase from Nail Couture and my experience. This is my first time using this company and purchasing anything from this company, but this will also be my last time, but that'll be coming in the next video because I don't want to highlight this as this video. I'll do that in a completely separate video explaining exactly why, and I will also provide screenshots and receipts because you guys know I like to come with facts if I'm coming to speak about anything. So there goes that. But on another note, I'm using these products from this company called Nail Couture, and I purchased these online during the coronavirus. You guys know I purchased a whole bunch of nail stuff, so I decided to get like their little mini nail kits, a monomer, a nail dehydrator. I'm sorry for the long pause, I just woke up. And I also decided to get these nail forms because I saw a lot of good reviews about these products. And no lie, no shade, these products are really good. It's just the customer service is lacking or lack thereof. So this is going to be my first and last purchase from Nail Couture. I'm so sorry, guys, but I'm not fucking with it at all after this. So I'm going to use my little products and keep it moving. So here I am. This is actually my first time using nail forms. So I'm going to just pop these on and just do my own little thing here. I was not really worried about like the consistency with the acrylic and the monomer and all that good stuff because it's my first time. So I wanted to kind of play around and get a feel for the product first, get a feel for the nail forms, and you just have fun. This video is not really about me doing the nail forms the first time, but I did want to incorporate this so you guys can see how I got the shape. But the video is mostly about Nail Addict. They reached out to me and they sent me this nice little kit. It came with 7 polishes total. I had like a base coat, a top coat, and 5 additional polishes that they let me select. So shout out to Nail Addict LA, and I'm going to be showing you guys all this at the end. But I just wanted to add in the beginning me putting these terrible ass nail forms on, and I was going to show you guys how I filed them and everything. So Max, if you see this, don't come for me because I'm about to come with some receipts because I know how people are with companies. You know, if you don't praise them, they get highly offended. I'm no nail tech. I am a licensed cosmetologist, but I'm doing this for fun, and people on my channel know this. So yeah, don't even try to hit me with that. Don't come for me unless I send for you. So I just did these nail forms, like I said, for the first time. I'm going to pop these on. The acrylic was kind of leaning down the sides, but I fixed it for the most part with the e-file that I have from a cart. I'm also going to add some information down below from a cart and Nail Addict. I'm going to add some coupon codes, all the products I use, all that good jazz. So yeah, I'm going to just place these on, let you guys watch my little crazy method of my first time using nail forms. And this is me just cleaning up the shape. And you see how it's long on the sides. I'm just going to go in with my e-file and some of the drill bits that my cart sent me and just file these nails down. And I'm just going to go in and start to create my square shape that I want. And I will come back when I'm done. Okay, so this is how they look when I'm done. The first shaping, and I'm probably just gonna go in with my hand file, but I'm gonna show you guys this shape that I came up with for the best of my ability. I don't think this is terrible for my first time ever, guys. And yeah, so this is the kit that Nail Addict sent me. I don't remember all the names off the top of my head, so I'm just gonna put all the names down below in the description box, but I'm just showing you guys how I opened the box. The packaging was super cute. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I already posted this on my stories a couple of days ago when they sent it. I tagged them, all that good jazz. But like I said, I don't know everything off the top of my head only because I filmed this a couple of days ago. So I'm going to go ahead and add all the information down in the description box. But these are vegan, cruelty-free nail polishes. Super cute, super affordable. These are all gel polishes. And actually, I did this video about a week ago, maybe a week and a half ago. I still have the green polish that I have on my hands, which you'll see me do as these are curing under the lamp. So I'm just going in with that base coat and I'm applying this all over my tips. And I apply this on the bottom of the tips too because I want like that glossy look. Once I'm done applying these, I'm going to put them inside of the gel. Oh my goodness. Once I'm done applying these, I'm going to put them inside the UV light if I can speak. This is why I don't do voiceovers right when I wake up because my mind is like, what? What are you even talking about? I'm going to put them inside the UV light and let them cure for about 90 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with 4 different colors and just place them on the nails. And then I did go in with one of the green shades, which you see on the right hand side, and I placed this on my actual fingernails because I couldn't get these on all the nails and I wanted to try to use as many colors as possible. So yeah, this is just showing you guys the packaging up close. They have the no wipe top coat, which I love, and then they have the base coat, and then we have these beautiful, beautiful shades. So wait, hold on. Is it 7 or 8 things they sent me? I mean, base coat, top coat, pink, green. They sent me 8 things total. I lied. So yeah, I'm just going in with the red. I'm going to do 1 layer first, and then I'm going to put these under and cure them for about another minute, and then I'm just going to go in with my second coat. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm so sorry that I'm taking forever to come out with these nail videos and just videos in general. It has been crazy as hell since I've been back to work. Your girl has been booked and busy almost every day. I've been trying to edit for here, for IG, and also plan for my 2 trips that I'm taking, and your girl is just freaking exhausted. Not to mention hubby was away because he's in the military, so I've been taking care of the 3 monsters by myself for a week and a half, and it's just been hectic. So yeah, that's a little backstory if you guys don't already know. But yeah, I'm gonna let this finish playing out. I'm gonna show you guys the end result. Shout out to Nail Addict. I really do appreciate you guys for reaching out to me, especially because I just decided to start doing nail videos and I'm not the best at them. You guys already know that, but just the fact that they believed in me and they were like, hey, we still want to send you this, post it on your channel, shout us out, whatever. I really do appreciate that. I will not forget that. So I'm going to go ahead, do these 2 layers, let them cure, paint my own nails, and then I want to show you guys. Listen like a man. Oh my God. I'm going to show you guys the end result when I'm done. I'm going to get off of here and get ready for the day because I have a photo shoot today. And I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. I will see you in my next video. All right, I had to come back because I completely forgot to say, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and follow your girl on Instagram _Cassandra_Olivia. And now I hope to see you guys in my next video. Everybody have a wonderful and productive day, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.